must do it all alone. What's up, love me? Sit up. Live darling, sit up. Yes, and sit up. Live darling, sit up. This morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you, saying don't worry, you cannot worry about a thing. Do not worry. Vancouver, here we go. When you know you love, send your love away. Send it through the night, each and every day. Three little birds were down in love, and I don't know how I'm gonna love again. Right. Sit up. Thanks so much. You guys good up for John? Incredible, right? I found this dude on Gravel Street. You can't find people like that on Gravel Street, but I did. I was sleeping.